Ready to bake the perfect hard rolls? In just a few simple steps, you have a golden crusty rolls with a soft, fluffy center. Let's get started. Start by combining 400 grams of all-purpose flour and 100 grams of bread flour in the mixing bowl. Add 9 grams of yeast, 5 grams of sugar, 8 grams of salt. Gradually pour in 378 milliliters of water, adding it in quarters and mix until dough forms. Once combined, transfer the dough to a flour workspace. Knead for 9 minutes until smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a well-oiled bowl, cover it, and let it ferment for an hour until double in size. After an hour, punch down the dough to release the air. Flour your workspace again and divide the dough into 12 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a ball and place them on a baking tray. As they proof for an hour, they will naturally take on the perfect bun shape. If you like, score the buns for a decorative finish. Before baking, brush the dough with a mixture of cold water and salt for a golden crust. To create steam in the oven, place a tray filled with hot water on the bottom rack. Bake the buns at 205 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Let them cool before serving. Enjoy your freshly baked buns.